Do you want to know how you can log into your OneStop.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your OneStop.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for OneStop.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of OneStop.ai. What you need to do now is write down your email address and password in this box. Go ahead and write down your email in this box and then your password in the second one. After you write down your email and password, make sure they are correct, and if not, you cannot access your account. So write down password, email address, click login, and then you can successfully log in to your OneStop.ai account. In case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, go ahead and click Forgot Password, which is over here. I hope this video about how you can log into your OneStop.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.